Epic Travels presents. What is the #1 ski resort in the world? According to Forbes magazine, this place has a score of 84.42 out of 100 in the Ski Index score. It is regarded the world's largest linked ski area, with a network of 600 kilometers of slopes, spanning 8 resorts. The destination is Les Trois Vallées, Savoie, France. Due to its size, there is a big variety offered by Les Trois Vallées. It is made out of 4 valleys, the Saint-Bon, Allouez, Belleville, and the Maurienne valleys. It is unmatched anywhere in the world, and it is a great destination for skiers of all skill level. With 158 ski lifts and a day pass for between $59 and $68, Les Trois Vallées is an absolute must for skiers of all kind. You can find hotels for between $425 and $1189, depending on your budget and how long you are planning on staying there. If you are a more experienced skier, you will definitely want to come here for the most challenging ski run in Europe, the Grand Couloir. I hope you have an epic travel to this amazing location. If you want to see more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.